So this is going to be the 380 into the stove. Let's see how far it penetrates. Well, that was cool. Now let's try the 22. Hey, what's up guys? Sorry it's been a while. I've just been really busy and I wanted to give you a quick update on the F250 and see where we're at with it. Alright, so Mike's been working on the truck for me. He's still working on the brakes, but we're going to go give it a test spin because he changed out the fuel filter, which was like completely crudded up, and the filters in the tank were crudded up, so we eliminated that whole little system and just put a pipe in there. He changed all the fluids, the diff fluids, transfer case, transmission fluid, engine oil, and we're just gonna go give it a spin to see how it's driving. Aesthetically, haven't changed anything, cleaned up the interior a little bit, but I've just been so busy with real estate that I haven't really had time for it, and I've actually kind of forgotten about it, so just figured I'd give you guys a quick update. Let's go take it for a spin real quick. Start this bad boy up. Uh-oh. Well, maybe we won't be driving this. Well, that's that. No. I think the batteries are dead.
This one's kind of crusty. This one's a little loose.
Could be that.
Let me grab some stuff.
Interesting. It's magic.
Changes colors.
Yeah, it made a neat color.
Oh shit, I thought it was a 10. I'll have it back in a minute. Go to this side. Holy crap, you're missing half your connector over here, your cable in. It's all broken down here, rotted away. You
Oh wow.
Have it touching.
Huh.
I'm gonna have to put a piece on it.
Yeah, I got a new one for it. Oh, that's fantastic. Well, battery's cracked right there. So it's gonna need one new battery at the very least. And new terminals. Alright, let's try this again. How diesel trucks sound. Comment down below if you also like how they sound. Show you a quick look at the interior. Just cleaned it a little bit. I didn't go crazy with it. I mean, I didn't even vacuum it. I just really just took all the garbage and stuff that was out of it. And there was also an amp behind here and a bunch of wiring that went up to where the radio was, and I got rid of all that. Alright, steering feels a lot better. It's a lot tighter. Seems to be shifting fine with the new fluid and filter change, so that's a plus. Like that was to the floor. It seems like it should have weight. It feels like the truck's not even moving. Could just be that it's a diesel truck and this and that. I could have sworn my old ones had a little bit of get up and go, but once again, it's been years since I've had one, so. Well, while I was checking out the F250 at Mike's, we figured we'd play around a little bit, and I brought two of my 22 caliber ARs, also my little 380, and we're going to be shooting at a stove, and let's see which round penetrates more, the 22 long rifle or the 380. So this is going to be the 380 into the stove. Let's see how far it penetrates. Well, that was cool. Now let's try the 22. Let's go take a look at it. Alright, so we tried the 380 and the 22, and let's see what the results are. We've been shooting at this a little bit, so but I know for sure that these two here are the 380, and then everything else here is the 22. So let's take a look. So as you can see, for the most part, the 22s were ripping through it. But what's interesting is with the 380, you can see that 380 is actually bulged out, and there's a small dent right here from the other one. So we're gonna see if we could try and dig that bullet out to see what it looks like. But as for the 22, they were either stopping there or they were going through it but not making it through the back side of the stove. Copper jacket for it, and then there's the lead.
The other one might
but
be
should be a second one in there somewhere. So that's what it looked like. And then that's it in 2 pieces. You can see the difference between the 22 rounds. You can actually see the back of that one. And then the 380. I just remembered that I had my carry pistol on me, which I always do, but Mike was like, oh, do you have a bigger caliber with you? And I'm like, oh yeah, my carry gun's a Glock 43 in 9mm. So you can see the difference there. 380 on the left, 9mm on the right. Should go further, so we'll give it a go. We're gonna go ahead and try out my Glock 43, which is chambered in 9mm. This is my carry gun. I've got a Hive Industries +2 bottom, mainly just to give me a better purchase on the gun. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and get, I guess just outside of the target on the left, just so it's easier to find the position. But once again, this is a 115 grain full metal jacket 9mm round. So we've got the entrance hole, and it went through the back of the stove. So it looks like it stopped on the back of the stove. Maybe a small fragment might have come out, but it obviously didn't penetrate the refrigerator. So thanks for watching, guys. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I've just been super busy and getting more and more involved in real estate. If you could, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button. Comment down below if you want to see any more gun-related stuff or real estate-related stuff or different guns. I've got an assortment of guns, so just let me know. And if you want to see more updates on the F250, just let me know. Comment down below what you guys think. Thanks. Bye.